Okay, guys, had to wait about 3 days. Again, here we go, waiting again. So I can find a installer, get an installer to put on my new borla Atak mufflers. So I finally found a place, and so it's the place I always go to for all my automotive needs. Like when they put on the bigger rims on my tires, they put on the Nerf bars and exhaust for me. It's more of a mechanic shop than like a minus muffler or something like that. And so I called them up today. They said, I asked them when can I bring it in. And I said I can bring it in anytime. They said, well, why don't you come in today? And so I'm on my way to have the boiler installed. I think I'll turn the truck on to get a side-by-side comparison. Okay, these are the stock motors. Really, guys, that's not too bad. I can't rev the engine up because I'm the only one out here, so if I just keep it idle, that just to give you an idea. You can see both exhausts are working perfect. Almost kind of hate to put the boilers on. I mean, these stock ones didn't sound too bad, but I imagine it's going to be better when I put on the borla Ataks. So I'll get back with you guys later after the install. See you then.